Hi everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your issue. Issue is that your Temu order not tracking and you're issuing that problem. So how you can resolve that? So basically, many users facing issue is that when they just order something from the Temu and they cannot track their location, they cannot track their order. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow the settings to fix your issue. So as you know that when you're just using the app of Temu in your iPhone and you may facing some problems, so you have to just fix before you can use that Temu app in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So I'm gonna tell all the steps you have to follow to fix your issue. So we'll just go to the setting of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. So if you don't know where you can disconnect VPN, simply just tap on a general and just scroll it down to the bottom and you see that the option of VPN and device management. Simply just tap on that and just tap on VPN and just disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and then reset the network settings from here. After that, simply just go back and just scroll up and you see that there is an option of software update. Just tap on that and then update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. After that, simply just go back and just go to again general section and just go to the iPhone storage and just wait and just scroll down and just find the app of Temu. Just scroll and you just find it. Just tap on that and just tap on upload just like that. Just tap on upload and then wait for a second and you see that they're gonna reinstall the app. So in that process, your data, your sign in accounts, your previous purchases, your previous orders cannot delete from the Temu app. It's only install the app, not your data. You see that this will install the app and place back all the app data and documents that are still present in this on this iPhone. Simply just reinstall app from here and let's wait for a second. After just taking some time, it's gonna install it and just simply just go to the Temu app and just getting the order and just try to track them and your problem gonna solve. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.